How to use Steam Points Shop feature. The Steam Points Shop lets you customize your Steam profile and chat using points earned from purchase. So first of all, launch Steam client or website on your device. All you have to do is make sure that you are on desktop. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the official website of Steam. From here, proceed to log into your account and hover over the Store tab. From there, click Points Shop, then select Point Shop from the drop-down menu. Now, you have to, first of all, accumulate some Steam points. To earn points, you can simply buy any game. For every $1 spent, you will earn 100 points. And users can award your reviews or profile using their points as well. To redeem your points, you simply have to select the categories like avatar, backgrounds, or emoticons. Now click the point balance button on the item page and apply them directly through your edit menu profile. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.